What is IP address? And how does it work?
An Internet Protocol address is a numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network that uses the Internet Protocol for communication. An IP address serves two main functions: host or network interface identification and location addressing. An IP address is written in dotted decimal notation, which is 4 sets of numbers separated by period, each set representing an 8-bit number ranging from 0 to 255. An example of an IPv4 address is 216.3. 128.12, which is the IP address previously assigned to iplocation.net. An IP address, or simply an IP, is a unique address that identifies a device on the Internet or a local network. It allows a system to be recognized by other systems connected via the Internet Protocol. There are two primary types of IP address formats used today: IPv4 and IPv6. Tap on the gear icon to the right of the wireless network you're connected to, and then tap on Advanced toward the bottom of the next screen. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see your device's IPv4 address. An IP address is a unique identifier for every machine using the Internet. Known as your Internet Protocol address, this identifier is written as a string of numbers separated by periods. Google "what is my IP address" to see yours. It's the most widely deployed IP used to connected devices to the Internet. How do I hide my IP address? The two primary ways to hide your IP address are using a proxy server or using a virtual private network, VPN. There's also Tor, which is great for extreme anonymization, but it's very slow and for most people isn't necessary. A proxy server is an intermediary server through which your traffic gets routed. Change a phone's IP address on Android. Open the Android settings and choose Wi-Fi. Long press your active home Wi-Fi network, then select Modify Network. Tap Advanced Options, then change DHCP to static. In the IP address text box, enter the static IP setting SUSing 192.168. 192.168.0.0 is the beginning of the private IP address range that includes all IP addresses through 192.168. 255.255. This IP address is usually not used on a network, and a phone or computer wouldn't be assigned this address. One common IP address assigned to home. To determine your computer's private IP address, if you're running Windows, click Start, then Run, then type CMD and press Enter. That should give you a command prompt. Type the command IP protocol configuration and press Enter. This will show you your private IP address. Is this IP public or private? Using private IP, data or information can be sent or received within the same network. Public IP address of a system is the IP address which is used to communicate outside the network. Public IP address is basically assigned by the ISP, Internet Service Provider. Okay, we continue the topic in another video. Thank you for your support.